Hi everyone. In today's data driven marketing landscape, understanding key metrics is crucial to measure the success of your campaigns or content and optimize for better results. So, today we'll be breaking down the most important digital marketing metrics every marketer or content creator should know and how to use them effectively. The first is click through rate, which is also called CTR. It measures the percentage of people who clicked on your ad or linked after seeing it. A high CTR always indicates that your ad or your content is relevant and it is engaging for your audience. Now, how do we calculate it? We calculate it by dividing the number of clicks by the number of impressions into 100. For example, if your ad was shown 1,000 times and it received 50 clicks, so your CTR would be 5%. Next, coming to conversion rate, which is the percentage of users who, take the desired actions, such as making a purchase or signing up or downloading a resource. It helps to determine how effective your campaign or your content is in driving user actions. We calculate it by dividing the number of conversions by total visitors into 100. And so there's a pro tip, okay? I'll be discussing about testing in my next video. We can use A/B testing to improve the conversion rates by experimenting with different elements of our campaign or content. Coming to return on ad spend, which is also termed as ROAS, it is a metric that measures the revenue generated for every dollar spent on advertising. The formula is revenue from ads by the cost of ads. It helps us to determine and understand the profitability of our campaigns or the paid partnership content. For example, if you spend like $500 on ads, and you earned $2,000 in revenue, so your ROAS will be 4x. Coming to bounce rate, which is the percentage of visitors who leave your website without taking any action on navigating to other pages. It happens with us, right? We download certain apps or we go through certain websites and we leave it because the user experience is so bad or the page takes so much time to load that we just leave it. That is called as bounce rate. That is also taken into account. A bounce rate may indicate that your landing page is not relevant or it is not engaging. Now, how can you improve it? You can improve it by optimizing the page load speed, by improving the content relevance, or by ensuring, obviously, a seamless user experience. Coming to cost per click, which is the amount you pay for each click on your ad. We calculate it by dividing the total ad spend by the number of clicks. It basically helps us to monitor and control the cost efficiency of our campaigns or the cost efficiency of our ads. So there are certain, keyword research tools which are available online that can be used because it helps in targeting high performing but less competitive keywords. Coming to customer acquisition cost, which is the total cost of acquiring a new customer through marketing efforts. The formula is total marketing cost by the number of new customers. So, customer acquisition cost basically helps us to evaluate the efficiency of our marketing spend. And I'll be talking about customer lifetime value in my next video. But our ultimate goal should be to keep our customer acquisition cost lower than the customer lifetime value. Next, coming to engagement rate, which measures how actively users are interacting with your content, such as how many likes are you getting, how many comments are you getting, number of shares, number of saves. All of it defines engagement rate. It indicates how well your content, resonates with the audience. So obviously you have to create shareable and visually appealing content to boost engagement. We can calculate it by dividing the total engagements by total impressions into 100. Coming to impressions and reach, so impressions are basically the number of times your content or your ad was displayed, and reach is the number of unique users who see your content or your ad. So these impressions, it shows visibility, while reach indicates the size of your audience. So there's a pro tip. You can use both metrics to assess the potential and actual exposure of your campaigns or your ads. Coming to Net Promoter Score, which is also denoted by NPS. So it basically measures the customer satisfaction and loyalty by asking, how likely a customer is to recommend your product or service. Um, we can calculate it by subtracting percentage of promoters by percentage of detractors. It matters because a higher NPS indicates a strong likelihood of word of mouth referrals and customer retention. These key digital marketing metrics are essential for tracking and optimizing your campaigns, your content, or your ad. Regularly monitoring and analyzing these metrics will help you make data-driven decisions to improve performance and achieve your marketing goals.